Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Paint Flip and Go Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Tampa, Florida. We're here for a roof cleaning. Me and EJ working together today. We're gonna be doing 2 roofs. This is the first one. This is a tile roof for the townhouse, like I said. Pretty dirty. So we're gonna be taking a lot of chemicals, man. We're gonna be taking a lot of chemicals to clean this roof. Before I start, I want to thank all y'all for y'all support. Make sure I like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Appreciate everybody that checked out the giveaway. That was a good live stream. You know what I'm saying? We had a good time, so we're gonna do it again for 10K. Let me show you guys what we got going on. So we just wetting down all the plants and the grass and everything like that on the bottom, making sure everything stays protected. There's not so much plants back here, and downspout goes underground, so most likely it goes over here into this forest. But the roof right here, it has a 2-story part at the top, but most of it's 1 story. But it's pretty bad, man. Let me go up top and show you guys what it looks like. This is the top front section. This is the neighbor's side, so we're gonna be cutting it sharp. We're gonna be cleaning all right here across this this side right here and everything that way. We're not touching this way. Like I always tell you guys, walk where it overlaps. Stay off your toes. This is the back side. See how black this is, man? This is pretty bad. This is the top side in the front. And this is the other side right here. Pretty bad, guys, pretty bad. But we're gonna bring it back to life, man. I mean, this right here is horrible. It's gonna take a couple of, probably take a couple of applications. We're gonna hit it with a 5% mix. I'm not sure we're gonna need to bump the mix up, but if we do, we got the proportion that we can do that with. We're gonna start from back here now. Alright, you guys, just came down, take a look downstairs. Everything is sprayed for the first time. We're just gonna double back and hit everything one more time. See if I can take a look downstairs, show you guys. Oh yeah, that's a bad angle. Bad angle. I'm gonna go up top and show you guys from the top. Let's see what we're looking like here. I gotta spray a couple little spots. But remember how bad it was earlier. Take you guys around the back. Ooh, wee, look at that. Look at that. Might not have to spray it again. I thought I did. Thought I would need to, but man, I mean, we talking flawless over here. Got a couple little spots. Over here. Little green. We're gonna spray those again. Right here. Couple right there. But nothing heavy. Check out this side here. This is looking pretty good. Yeah, this side's looking pretty good. I gotta make sure you hit the outside lip. I gotta do that right there. I gotta do that side right there. Walking the right way, walking the right way. Pretty satisfied. Customer across the street just asked us to do her roof right over there. There's a lot of dirty roofs over here, man. You guys see the neighbors. I mean, look at that thing. Ugh, that's how this one looked. My overspray went over and cleaned some of her roofs, so I'm gonna try to make a straight line at least, you know what I'm saying? Make it look decent so it's not looking all crazy. Alright, you guys, we all finished up top. Everything came out fantastic. I influenced the neighbors a little bit. Did a little quarter piece. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the back area. Nice and clean. Like I said, a little influence. Hopefully they'll give me a call. But yeah, looking pretty good, man. That's what you're talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. What up, E?
What up, boy?
Look at this thing. Look at that shine coming off that. Ooh, woo. HOA can't say nothing to her. That's what I'm talking about, man. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up. Head to the next job. See y'all when we get there. Alright guys, we all finished here. You can see what the product looked like. EJ went and talked to the homeowner about cleaning the driveway and sidewalk, so we added a little something to the ticket to beef it up. Some lunch money. But yeah, we're gonna get all this cleaned up for her. This is not gonna come out. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. It looks kind of thick on there. But yeah, we're gonna clean this up for her, man. Finished up over here. We're gonna go ahead and get some lunch and head to the second job. Alright you guys, well, went to the next stop for the roof cleaning. Guess the customer forgot to book me today. So didn't do the roof. Probably have to reschedule it, but we'll take this opportunity just to clean up the van, do the maintenance and stuff. My van, I think the ball joints and stuff needs to be greased up, so I'm gonna do that. And I think I got one more estimate to do for the day, and then we're gonna shut it down. So I appreciate y'all checking the video out. Hope y'all love the content. If you do, make sure you give it a like. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.